Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Shop-Vac Rechargeable Cordless Stick Vac. This vacuum offers a sleek design paired with impressive specifications that promise to elevate your cleaning experience. With a 350-watt motor and 25.9 volts of power, it's packed with potential. But let's see how well it translates into real-world performance. The Shop-Vac Rechargeable Cordless Stick Vac comes with a number of features that aim to address common cleaning challenges. First up, it's powered by a brushless DC motor, which ensures a quieter, longer-lasting performance compared to standard motors. The 3-speed suction system lets you tailor the power to different tasks, from fine dust on hard floors to deeper cleaning on rugs and carpets. This vacuum's filtration system is sponge-based, which is straightforward but effective, offering basic protection against fine dust particles. One of the standout features is its 25.9 volts power supply, combined with a 350 watts motor that promises strong suction performance. You can expect consistent suction with a range of 8 to 25 kPa, making it versatile across various surfaces. The 0.5-liter dust tank is compact but manageable for quick cleaning sessions, although larger cleaning jobs may require frequent emptying. The vacuum's running time varies between 15 to 55 minutes depending on the power setting, which gives you flexibility but may fall short if you have larger areas to cover. Recharging takes about 2 to 3 hours, so while it's fairly quick, the overall runtime could feel limiting if you're working on a big project. With a 5-meter power cord and an adjustable extendable rod, this vacuum offers decent reach for a stick vac, allowing you to clean from floor to ceiling. The adjustable rod is especially helpful when you need to get into tricky spaces or adjust the vacuum to suit your height. On the usability side, the vacuum is lightweight and relatively easy to maneuver, though you might notice some strain during prolonged use if you're cleaning large areas or moving between different surface types. When it comes to cleaning different surfaces, the Shop-Vac shines on hard floors. The suction power picks up fine dust, crumbs, and debris effectively. However, on carpets, especially deeper pile ones, the performance is less impressive. The 3-speed suction levels help, but you may need to use the highest setting for embedded dirt, which can reduce the battery life significantly. Pet hair can be a challenge for any vacuum, but this one performs decently with the right attachments, particularly when dealing with hair on upholstery or car seats. A real-world test that highlights the Shop-Vac's potential and its limitations is cleaning stairs. The lightweight and extendable rod make it easy to handle, but the compact dust tank requires frequent emptying as you go, and the suction power starts to drop slightly on higher levels. It's not the most powerful, but for quick touch-ups, it gets the job done. On hard floors, it's effective at picking up dust and small debris, while the higher suction power does an okay job on low-pile carpets. The sponge filtration, however, does a solid job of keeping allergens contained, though it won't compare to advanced HEPA filtration systems. The biggest selling point here is the flexibility. Cordless convenience, adjustable rod, and versatile suction. However, there are some downsides. For one, the battery life at higher power levels can be disappointing, and while the 3-speed function is useful, it doesn't entirely make up for the limited runtime. Additionally, the sponge filtration is fine for light use, but won't satisfy allergy sufferers or anyone with specific filtration needs. In terms of value for money, the Shop-Vac Rechargeable Cordless Stick Vac lands somewhere in the middle. It's priced fairly for a vacuum with these features, especially considering its strong suction power and cordless convenience. However, if you're looking for long battery life, superior filtration, or a vacuum that can tackle deep carpet cleaning consistently, there are alternatives that offer better performance in those areas, often at a slightly higher price point. Comparing this to a few competitors in the same range, you could consider models like the Black & Decker Cordless Stick Vac. While similar in many respects, lightweight, adjustable rod, and decent suction, the Black & Decker model tends to perform slightly better on carpet due to its more powerful motor and better overall suction consistency. However, for people who prioritize a low-maintenance, easy-to-use vacuum for daily cleanups, the Shop-Vac could still be a solid choice. Build quality is decent, with most components feeling solid enough for everyday use. However, you might notice some plastic parts feeling a little flimsy, and the dust tank could be a bit tricky to empty without spilling debris. Maintenance is easy, with no major issues in terms of filter cleaning or brush roll care, though long hair might require extra attention to keep things from tangling. Overall, this vacuum's durability is good for regular use, but it might not hold up as well for heavy-duty or long-term use without showing some wear. Customer support is generally responsive, and if you run into issues, the brand is known for decent after-sales service, though there have been occasional reports of delays in response times. In terms of long-term reliability, it's still too early to say how well this model will hold up, but based on the general track record of the brand, you can expect reasonable performance and support. Ultimately, the Shop-Vac Rechargeable Cordless Stick Vac is a solid choice for people who need a lightweight, flexible, and affordable vacuum for quick cleaning sessions. It's best suited for those with smaller homes or apartments, hard floor surfaces, or people who don't mind emptying the dust tank a bit more frequently. However, if you're looking for something that can handle deep carpet cleaning or offer long, uninterrupted runtime, you might want to consider stepping up to a slightly more expensive model. Thanks for watching. If you're considering picking up the Shop-Vac Rechargeable Cordless Stick Vac, you can find more details in the comments box below. If you already own this vacuum or have any thoughts to share, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, keep your spaces spotless. Goodbye. Goodbye.